Moonshiner, Yardbird pulling back. I'll see you. 20.
Hey, Yardbird, you're making a racket. Hey, Yardbird, you're making quite a racket up here in the corner of 122 Main, trying to wave.
Click, click. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, Yardbird. Bye, Yardbird. 122 waving.
122. 122. Around the Buckeye. Looking at you.
We hear a station coming in out of the Buckeye. Mercy, it's rough and tough. 122 waving over to that old Buckeye State.
Oh, look. What's going on 122 while you're waving around the Buckeye? One jump in the middle real quick. 122 Slingshot. You're under dog station in the bluegrass.
Hey, Slingshot. Hey, Slingshot, you just rolled right in there. No two ways about it. Hey, waving right back at you, Slingshot. Sounding good over here, sir.
Well, you got a big old hammer up there, man. I had turned it down there a little bit on top of that shot over there around Connecticut. And I was looking at something. I'm going to come right back in your radio. 122, old War Machine.
If I'm still in your receiver, not Slingshot. Oh, Mother Nature's got everything just moving right on through pretty darn quick on me. So, hey, Slingshot, you still got a grip on me, waving a hand at you, sir. No doubt, 122, State of Maine.
122, it's pouring down rain outside right now, so it's getting mighty hot down here in the bluegrass.
War Machine, I think it was War Machine that just jumped in there and cleaned the receive. War Machine out of the Buckeye, 122 waving right back at you, sir.
Full rocket there, 122. Waving a hand right back. I heard waving a hand up around there. Pointed right in between there, I guess. Oh, War Machine. They said he liked it like little boys and shorts, son. That's what you said. He said, I like little boys and shorts. That's something that he likes. Hey, Moonshiner, get off that moonshine, man.